So friends, I'm finished planting my flower bed. This bed at the corner here was created a couple of days ago so that I can put in all my bulbs. I bought these bulbs last year on clearance and I completely forget about them. Waiting and waiting for the weather to become nice before I start a plant. And so now I plant about a third of them in there. I didn't realize I had so much bulbs. I think I have like 7 different variety of bulbs, including tulips and gladiolas and dahlias and different ones. And I even buy some dahlias from the dollar store, and I told you guys in another video about it. But the first thing I planted was the dahlias. Then I planted some gladiolas, and I did some cosmos, and I did some lilliput also there, because last year I grew lilliput in the same spot and did amazing. So I planted the fluffy head lilliput. So I think it's going to do well again this year. Now, in the beginning of the video, you see I put soil down. This is just some topsoil I'm putting because I have loads of compost in there already. And I just wanted something to, just to mix in with the compost. So that's what I did, just to give the bed a little bit of height to get it up to the stones. So that should do really well in there. And the bed is well amended. And then I put some bone meal, and then I put some chicken pellets. So chicken pellets are really, really good for your plants. It gives them a lot of nitrogen and phosphorus, and it has a lot of other nutrients that your plants need. And so I love to add it to my plants and my vegetables. It's a little bit expensive, but guys, if you want good vegetables, you gotta buy organic fertilizers to put in your garden. And I have a lot of chicken manure, but it's not ready yet. So the chicken manure that I have could only go on my trees, so I can't put on my vegetables. Next year, I'll be able to put on my vegetables and my flowers. So in the meanwhile, I'm going to use this chicken pellets, which works amazing. If you don't want to put the pellets just like that, you want it faster, just put the pellets in water to soak and then use the water to water your plants and especially your flowers. It does amazing. So this is what I did there, and I'm going to keep you guys updated with these little stone gardens that I keep making around the house. And I'm really excited with my dahlias. Last year I planted 3 dahlias and I forget to dig them up, so I'm planting these ones right here, so it's just right next to the house and it's just easy to get at. And then I'll dig them up and put them in the cellar for next year. So guys, thanks for watching. Remember, you're beautiful. And if you plant dahlias, if you plant other flowers, put a comment in the bottom and tell me what amendments you use when you're planting flowers. If you're an expert with dahlias, tell me how you take care of them, because this is my 3rd year actually planting dahlias, and the 1st and 2nd day they were beautiful with lots of flowers, and my biggest problem is just forgetting to dig them up. So I have 3 different varieties in there, and I'm looking forward to the beautiful blooms. Remember, you're beautiful. Ciao ciao. I'll see you in the next video.